Welcome! Today, we're diving into a fundamental question in project management. What is a project? A project is a planned endeavor with a defined beginning and an end. It is designed to achieve a specific goal or create a distinct outcome. Unlike ongoing operations, a project is initiated to address a particular need, solve a problem, or seize an opportunity. Its success is measured by whether it meets its objectives, stays within budget, and is delivered on schedule. Projects can vary widely in size, complexity, and industry. They may involve developing new software, constructing buildings, launching marketing campaigns, or organizing events. Each project requires careful planning, resource allocation, and risk management to ensure its success. Take, for example, the planning and execution of a community festival. Imagine a city aiming to celebrate its cultural diversity by hosting an annual festival. The project begins with a vision, enhancing community engagement and showcasing local talent. Over the coming months, the team defines the scope by determining the event's features: live performances, food stalls, art exhibitions, and family activities. During the planning phase, the project team sets clear milestones, allocates resources, and establishes a budget. They develop detailed plans for marketing, logistics, vendor management, and contingency strategies for unforeseen challenges. The execution phase sees the festival coming together. Performers, vendors, and volunteers work in harmony to bring the event to life. Once the festival concludes, the project moves into its closing phase, where the team conducts a comprehensive review, gathers feedback, and documents lessons learned for future initiatives. In every project, success depends on meticulous planning, effective teamwork, and adaptive problem-solving. Project managers are at the helm, coordinating tasks, managing risks, and ensuring that every element aligns with the intended objectives. Understanding what a project is helps you appreciate the discipline required to bring an idea to fruition. Whether you're managing a small local event or spearheading a large-scale international initiative, the principles remain the same: clear objectives, structured planning, and measured execution. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of what a project truly entails. Remember, every project is a journey, a series of coordinated steps aimed at achieving a goal.